if we look at this geopolitical risk that we're seeing, it's yeah, as you said, it's hard to believe that it could escalate since we talked in August with the Russia-Ukraine war, but since then we've seen Israel, obviously Palestine. We've been seeing increasing tensions with Iran, literally just firing missiles at all their neighbors, which is extremely scary. Increasing tensions in China and the US. Do you think this is escalating to the point where we could see a global conflict?
I think it's almost inevitable that we will see a global conflict sometime after 2025. Why do I say that? It's because, like all previous empires, apart from the British one, where we were sensible enough to negotiate our way out of it, all other empires ended in war. War was their last remaining dice that they could throw. And America, given the policies that the Biden government have been pursuing, they are bound to use their last remaining resource to try to defend their hegemonic status, but it will fail. America's forces, from what I understand, are, you could almost say they're a paper tiger. Russia's military is probably second to none in the world. And if escalation does reach the point of global conflict, which I think it will, then basically you'll have lined up the America plus the G7 countries against Russia, China, Iran, and several other countries.